If you crave big flavor and fast, no-fuss cooking, you're in the right spot. Today, we're making Santa Fe chicken bowls. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. First, you'll need some chicken breasts. Place them in a large Ziploc bag or lay them under plastic wrap to keep things tidy. Pound them to an even thickness with a meat mallet or a heavy skillet so they cook evenly. And you can relax. Nobody's running out of Santa Fe chicken here. It's so simple, even the Bistro Huddy crowd can pull it off. If you know, you know. Trim any visible fat. Rinse, then pat dry. Then season both sides generously with salt and pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and oregano. To bring warmth and depth, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix the spices well, then coat both sides of the chicken evenly. We'll set the seasoned chicken aside while we prep the veggies. Chop about 1/4 of an onion. Dice 1 red and green bell pepper. I'm using my chopper for speed, easy cleanup, and fast prep. I'll post the link in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Now we'll chop 1 small bunch of cilantro. Head to the stove and heat a large skillet with a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Although I typically pull it when it's about 163 degrees, 72 degrees Celsius, since it will continue to cook later. Once done, transfer the chicken to a plate temporarily. Now, wipe the pan clean, then add a little more oil along with half a stick of unsalted butter. Once melted, saute the onions for about a minute to bring out their sweetness. Add the chopped bell peppers and mix. Now it's time to bring out some flavor. Add 1 can of Rotel, which is diced tomatoes and green chilies, and mix. Stir in 1 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. Season with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, cumin, oregano, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Add salt and pepper to taste, then about 2 tablespoons of your cilantro. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth and give it a good stir. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook on low for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed black beans. Bring back your chicken and nestle it in the mix. Set heat to low or about a 2 and cover. Cook another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, come back and sprinkle shredded cheese over your chicken breast. I'm using Colby and Monterey Jack blend, but you can also use cheddar if you prefer. Just make sure you shred the cheese yourself. Pre-shredded bags don't melt as nicely. Cook a couple more minutes just until the cheese is melty and glossy. Top with chopped cilantro. You can also add jalapeno slices if you like a kick. Serve over a bed of white jasmine rice for a complete comforting bowl. Now take a look at this cozy Santa Fe goodness. Easy, flavorful, and weeknight friendly. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!